The last time I tried turning $76 into $76,000, but I ended up blowing my account. So this time I've funded the account and I'm trying again. So I'm trying to flip this $76 this time around again, and then let's see how it goes. I have a sale set up on gold. That is why I'm stacking up these sales. So we can see clearly the market structure is moving to the downside. So the market is moving to the downside, and my indicator just give me a sell. Okay, so I made some mistakes the last time which made me blow my account. So I went to do more research, more refining. So I refined the indicator more, and I'm trying again. So this is the sell signal from the indicator. This is the sell signal from the gold scalper indicator. So immediately gave the sell, the market started pulling back, and I decided to enter. And yeah, you can see that the first sell, I didn't take the first sell because it just broke out of the room. So I no longer trade signals that just broke out of the room because it might be a fake out. Okay, it might be a fake out. And the one that is inside the bands, the Bollinger bands, I don't trade them too. I did lots of refining, and it's not every trade I will be taking now. So let's observe and see what this market is going to give us. Boom, we are up over $300 in profit right now. This is crazy, guys. We are up about $300 in equity. Look at the trade. Immediately we entered our trade, the market just started dropping. Look at it. So we entered our trade around here, and then you see how the market stopped massively, breaking that previous low. Okay, so though it have not hit my TP yet, this is where I want to close the trades. So I expect the market to at least drop to that level before I close the trade. And yeah, it is heading there straight. The market is heading to my TP right now. So here is my TP around 46 one here is where I expect this market to drop to, then I will be able to close the trade. Now our equity is up over $300, so I'm just going to close it now. Boom, I've closed all the trade and I'm up 352.18 US dollars right now. So look at it, the take profit got hit, and that is why our equity went to 350 US dollars plus. So look at it, the take profit got smashed here on trading view too. So we are done with this trade, and the market is still even dropping to the downside, right? So look at immediately we entered the pullback, and then what's happening? Let's drop down to the downside. Let's look for a neutral. I have a new buy trade on ZAR USD, which I entered with one lot size just now, and look at it. The market have very strong buy momentum. That is why I could not like wait to start recording before I enter buy. And you can see there is no drawdown ever since I entered the trade, because the momentum of the buys is very strong. So we can see it clearly. You can see how the market has been pushing up clearly on our screen right now. Okay, so that is the reason why I entered the buy trade, and then I expect it to go up straight. This is the trade on my MT5. It is running about $500 profit, and my equity is up over $700 right now. But over $800 I'm running right now. So like this kind of trade we don't play with it. In fact, sometimes I miss this type of trade due to too much of momentum. Okay, so because the market will be moving like very strong trend, and then the indicator will just print a buy. So if you are not careful with this type of trade, and you're like, oh, let me record quickly before entering the trade. So if you do that, you end up missing the trade. So you miss the entry, or you get a bad entry. That's why I entered the first before recording. There is very strong momentum, and then there is sharp buy trade, and then you see zero drawdown. This is the kind of trade that you can use it to put like $100 to thousands of dollars with just one trade, because the momentum is very high, like very high. Look at it right from the beginning of this trend. This is how it has been moving up straight. Like you just be seeing bullish content, and it brings a buy, and that type of price, the probability of it not pulling back is very high. Okay, so that is the buy, and then We have made so much money from it. So I'm looking onto the next guys. I have another nice buy trade which I just entered again, and it's only $300 here. It's very very small, but let me show you. So this is the buy trade on my trading view. This is the buy trade. This is the buy signal. So this is the consolidation. Market consolidated, pull back, and then started going up and gave a buy trade. Okay. So this is the previous one. It went up, out, and then we have a new buy trade running $1,000 plus one. So look at, we are up $1,000 plus in profits, and then let me quickly close it. So I've closed it, and I'm up $2,000 in 68. So let's go to trading view and see what happened. So this is what happened. This is the buy trade, and immediately as contact just started going up straight, broke the previous high, and then it gave us over $1,000 of profits. So we ate this one successfully, and then let's wait for the next one. Now I have a new buy trade again on my on gold. I have a new buy trade on gold again. Same indicator. So you can see the previous one, and to move to the upside. And now we have this nice buy trade here. We have this nice buy trade here. It is not inside the loan, it is not inside the band, like it is very clear. So let's try to take it. Even this previous buy it was successful, but I didn't take it because it just broke out of the way. This is the trade on my MT5, so I'm adding more positions. Yeah, I added more positions now, and I expect it to fly to the upside. So I think it just came to like 30% bonus level. That's why I'm adding more positions, and then I expect it to continue going to the upside. So let me add more positions. I want to stack in more positions because from here I expect it to fly. Boom! This is crazy. I'm up about $6,000 in equity right now. Like, look at it, guys. The market just spiked to the upside and making me have about $6,000 of equity right now. So the $2,000 is up $6,000. Damn, this is crazy. So I should just do and close this trade right now, like, and then I'll show you guys how everything played out. So I've closed the trade 6188.68. Okay, so this is massive. This is massive. So am I even going to get to the 70K mark? So let me just keep trying. So this is a buy, and then this is when it pulled back. I entered my position, and then it went straight to my take profit. So I set alarm here so that when the price gets there, it will alarm me, and I will go and close my trades ASAP. So that is why I went to close the trade, and then you can see a pullback from there. I use key levels for my take profit, so that's why market react to it. And whenever I come, I need to be closing it quickly, because if you don't close it quickly, price will start reversing from there quickly. It may be a pullback, it may be a reversal, so you don't know. Okay, so I mix price action with indicator. I don't just use indicator. No, I mix it price action. I just took a buy trade on gold, and I'm in a strong drawdown right now. I thought if I take this trade, I'll just go into profit straight. So that's why I didn't report. But I'm down about 50% drawdown right now. Like, this is crazy. So is this going to blow my account? Let's watch and observe, and let's see how it's going to be. I'm not adding more pools, so because but the little one I added trying to blow my account. So I have this cell here, so which went up, drop. Now we have this new cells. If we can see, it's not inside the range, and this is not the candle that broke out of the range, and yeah, it's not inside the bands. So yeah, this trade is really nice. That is why I believe it's going to like move to the downside. But past profit doesn't guarantee future profit. And boom, we are up $12,000 right now. So look at the trade. It dropped massively, like it dropped properly. So but it's pulling back now, and I would need to go close this trade quickly. Okay, so I need to go and close this trade quickly, 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 quick. So I've closed the trade 11,910.28. This is nice. So we have crossed the $10,000 mark. The last time I lost the account at 500 and something dollars, and now I'm up over $10,000. So this is a very nice and big achievement for me, and I'm very, very happy right now seeing my account over $10,000. So I just need to keep pushing, and maybe hopefully I get to that $76,000 mark. So let's just keep pushing. Look at the trade, it dropped nicely, like it dropped properly. So I love this trade. I love how it played out. Let's look for the next trade. I just entered a new buy on ZAO USD gold. So I just entered a new buy on this pair. So look at it. But I didn't stack up much. I just entered 6 lot size on $11,000 per pound, which is very small because I want to hold this trade for a very long time because I just received a news on that gold is going to push massively to the upside. And for me to enter, I don't just want to enter randomly, I'm going to enter strategically. Right, so I'm going to enter strategically, and this time around I'm not just using the indicator, I'm using it because price action and those fundamentals. So there's fundamental that gold is going to buy massive. But I'm not going to enter anyhow. I'm going to enter strategically. Right, I'm going to enter strategically. That's why I waited for my indicator to give me a buy support there. Right? And then look at, I'm in a drawdown. Yeah, I understand I'm in a drawdown, but yeah, we're going to hold this shape for a very long time, and we're going to stack them up positions if there is an opportunity. Okay, so we wait for the market to present an opportunity to also, and then I'll add more positions. Damn, this is crazy, guys. I'm up at $100,000 in my equity now. I'm up $100,000. Like this is really, really, really crazy. So I told you guys, gold is going to fly. Really, gold is going to fly. And look at where we entered our trade around here. I'm going to show you how it's played out properly on trading view. So I entered my position here after breakout. Okay, so I'll show you everything on trading view. So look at the breakout. I added more. Then what happened? Like gold is going to the upside, like gold is going to the moon. Like look at it, came here to test, want to break out the trend line, and then like it's crazy. My indicator also gave a buy also there, so then it went up straight. So it is pulling back now. So I will need to close this trade ASAP. I need to close it as soon as possible. So I've closed the trade with 95,849.78 US dollars right now. I was trying to make 76K, but I'm up $95,000. So let me show you how everything played out, my entries, my two entries, and the reasons here on TradingView. So this is the first entry that we entered, and then the market started pulling back. So you guys, don't worry, we entered with smaller size, so we shouldn't worry. So look at the market went up and then came all the way down to the entry. So look at into the entry back again. But I was just watching. I didn't enter the smaller size. I was just watching, and then when the market opened, there was a spike, a heavy spike to the upside. And after the spike, I was just observing to look for a possible trade entry. So after the spike, and then we had this, the market started consolidating. So the market started consolidating, came down here, and then it started going up. But before it went up, there was a breakout here, which I showed you guys the breakout on 25. But I'm going to show you my indicator also gave a buy here, but I turned off its settings. That's why it's not showing. It's not allowed to send a trade during Asian session, and that trade happened during Asian session. But I'm going to turn on the settings so that you can see how it printed the buy. So this is the settings. Pulse trading during the channel session. So I'll remove the settings now. Look at the buy. It gave the buy at that exact time, and then like market started pushing up straight to the upside. Right. So let me show you. Let me pause the settings again. So it gave the buy, and then market pushed up to the upside. So if I remove the settings, it will now to go. Okay, so but if I turn on trading during the Asian session, it will bring the buy. So look at the buy, look at the buy. Okay, so that is how it happened. That's how it happened. That's the reason for the second trade, and then push to the upside, and I was able to scale up the account fast to 100k USD. Yeah, this the indicator is supposed to be paid, but I've partnered with my broker for us to give people access for totally free. So if you want to get the indicator, just check on the video description. I will put the instructions there so that you can get the indicator free. Alright, so smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.